And if we walk up a little bit more, you'll see these are sump pumps from the basements of these buildings. I back up, you can see these are just the buildings on Manayunk. They've got the sump pumps. The sump pumps are all spitting out the water every 5 minutes. I can go up towards Manayunk Avenue, Main Street, and here's one. If you wait long enough, it'll be spitting out water in a second too. Well, we can walk to the car now and we'll see it. We'll see it spit out. There it goes. You don't even have to wait that long. That's what the sump pumps are doing.